Hello students, let's solve exercise 13.1 question number 5. Express each of the following as product of their prime factors. First sum, number 6, 4, 8. So here we have to find their prime factors and we have to write their factors in exponential notation or exponential form. So first of all, using prime factorization method, we will find the prime factors. So 6, 4, 8. As we can see that this number is even number. So it is divisible by 2. So here we will do the division. 6, 4, 8 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 4. 2 2s are 4. 8. 2 4s are 8. So it is 3 to 4. Again it is even number. So we will divide it by 2. 3 to 4 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. 1, 2, 2 6 are 12. Then 4, 2 2s are 4. So it is 162. Again it is even number. It is divisible by 2. 162 divided by 2. 2 8s are 16. Then 2 1s are 2. It is 81. Now it is 81. 81 cannot be divided by 2 as it is odd number. So now we will check for divisibility test for 3. Addition of the digits 8 plus 1, that is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3. That's why 81 is divisible by 3. And as we know, 27 3s are is 81. Again by 3. 9 3s are 27. Again by 3. 3 3s are 9. And again by 3. 3 1s are 3. So prime factorization done. Now we will write its factors. So as here we can see that 2 multiplied 3 times, then 3 multiply 1 2 3 4 4 times, 3 multiply 4 times. So that is equal to, in exponential notation, 2 multiply 3 times means 2 raised to the power of 3, that is 2 cubed, multiply by, then for this one 3 multiply 4 times, that is 3 raised to the power of 4. So this is our answer. Next, 405, prime factorization method. As we can see that here it is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. Now we will check for divisibility test for 3. 4 plus 0, 0, that is 4. 4 plus 5, that is 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore 405 is divisible by 3. So here we will do the division. 405 dividing by 3, that is 3 1s are 3, 1 0, 3 3s are 9, that is 1 5, 3 5s are 15. So 405 divided by 3, we get 135. Again we have to check for divisibility test for 3. Addition of digits 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9. It is divisible by 3, and therefore this number 135 is divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12, 1 and 5, 3 5s are 15. So 135 divided by 3, we get 45. Now 4 plus 5 9, so it is divisible by 3, and we know that 15 3s are 45. Then again it is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. Then 5, so it is not divisible by 3. It is, as it is prime number, so it is divisible by itself. That is 5 1s are 5. So here 405 is equal to factors, prime factors 1 2 3 4. 3 multiplied 4 times, and then 5 multiply 1 time, that is 5. So 3 multiply 4 times, that is equal to 3 raised to the power of 4. Multiply by 5. It is our answer. Next, third sum 540. So using the prime factorization method, 540, that is, it is last digit is 0, that's why it is even number. So divided by 2. 540 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 4, 2 7s are 14, so it is 270. Again it is even number, divided by 2, 270 divided by 2, 2 1s are 2, then 7, 2 3s are 6, then 1 0, 2 5s are 10. So it is 135. Now it is odd number, so we have to check for number 3. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. So it is divisible by 3. So here we will do the division. One 3 5 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. 1 5, 3 5s are 15. So it is 45. Now divided by 3, 15 3s are 45, divided by 3, 3 5s are 15, then 5 1s are 5. So here prime factors are 4 5 4 0, 2 multiplied 2 times, then 3 multiplied 3 times, and 5 multiplied 1 time. So that is equal to, in exponential form, 2 multiplied 2 times, that is 2 raised to the power of 2, that is 2 squared. 3 multiplied 3 times, that is 3 cubed, and multiplied by 5. The answer is 2 squared multiplied by 3 cubed multiplied by 5. Next, fourth sum 3600. Divisibility test, as we can see that it is even number, so it is divisible by 2, and as we know that 18 2s are 36, so 1800 2s are 3600. Next, divided by 2, 900 2s are 9 2s are 18, that means 900 2s are 1800. Then divided by 2, so we will get 450. Now divided by 2, so we will get, so here we will do the division. 450 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4, then 5, 2 2s are 4, so 1 0, 2 5s are 10. So it is 225. Now it is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. So we will check for 3. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. So it is divisible by 3. So here we will do the division. 225 divided by 3. So 3 7s are 21. So it is 1 5. So 3 5s are 15. So it is 75. Now 7 plus 5, there is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So here 3, and as we know that 25 3s are 75. Now 2 plus 5 7, so it is not divisible by 3, it is divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So here for 3600 or 3600, prime factors are 2 multiplied 4 times, multiply by 3 multiplied 2 times, multiply by 5 multiplied 2 times. So that is equal to, in exponential notations, 2 multiplied 4 times, that is 2 raised to the power of 4, multiply by 3 multiplied 2 times, that is 3 squared, multiply by 5 multiplied 2 times, that is 5 squared. So for 3600, in prime factors notation, power of prime factors notation, it is 2 raised to the power of 4 multiplied 3 squared multiplied 5 squared. Next question, simplify. Sum number 1, 2 multiplied 10 cubed. So here we have to find the value of this numbers. So here 2 multiplied by 10 cubed means 10 multiplied 3 times. So that is equal to 2 multiplied 10 cubed means 10 multiplied 3 times means 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. And 1000 multiplied by 2, that is 2000. Next, 7 squared multiplied 2 squared. That is equal to 7 multiplied 2 times multiplied by 2 squared means 2 multiplied 2 times. 7 sevens are 49, 2 twos are 4. 49 fours are. So 49 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 9 fours are 36, 4 fours are 16 plus 3, that is 19. So it is 196. Next, 2 cubed multiplied by 5, that is equal to 2 multiplied 3 times multiplied by 5. 2 multiplied 3 times means 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. 8 multiplied by 5, 8 fives are 40. Sum number 4, 3 multiplied 4 raised to the power of 4. So that is equal to 3 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 4 means 4 multiplied 4 times. So here we will make two parts. These first 3 numbers one part, in other 2 numbers second part. So that is equal to 3 fours are 12 and 12 fours are 48 multiplied by 4 fours are 16. So here we will do this multiplication. 48 multiplied by 16. 8 6 are 48. 4 6 are, that is 24 plus 4, 28, then 0, 8 and 4, addition 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 7. So answer is 768. 768 is the answer. Next, 0 multiplied by 10 square, as we have learned 0 multiplied by anything, answer is 0. Next sum number 6, 5 squared multiplied by 3 cubed. 5 squared means 5 multiplied by 2 times and 3 cubed means 3 multiplied 3 times. 5 fives are, that is 25, and 3 cubed, that is 3 multiplied by 3, 9, 9 multiplied by 3, that is 27. So here we will do this multiplication. 27 multiplied by 25. 7 fives are 35, 2 fives are 10 plus 3, 13, here 0, 7 twos are 14, here 1, 2 twos are 4 plus 1, 5. Addition 5, 3 plus 4, 7, 1 plus 5, 6. So answer is 675. Sum number 7, 2 raised to the power of 4 multiplied by 3 squared. 2 raised to the power 4 means 2 multiplied 4 times. Multiplied by 3 squared means 3 multiplied by 2 times. 2 parts. 2 raised to the power 4 means 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 2s are 8, 2s are 16. Multiplied by 3, 3s are 9. And 16 9s are 144. Last sum of the question number 6. Say sum number 8. 3 squared multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 4. 3 squared means 3 multiplied 2 times and 10 raised to the power of 4 means 10 multiplied 4 times. 2 groups. 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9, and 10 raised to the power of 4 means 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000, and 1000 tens are 10,000. So 10,000 multiplied by 9, that means 90,000. So 90,000 is our answer.